Open your eyes, it's morning time. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Big stretch, reach up high. Open your eyes, blink, blink, blink. Take a breath, now stop and think. It's a brand new day for you. So many fun things we can do.
Can you stretch with me?
Stretch up high.
1, 2, 3.
Now stretch wide, just like me. Wake up, nice and slow. Open your eyes, let's go, let's go. Stretch your arms, don't be shy. Reach up high into the sky. Pull the blanket nice and straight. Smooth it down, don't be late. Use your hands soft and slow. Make it neat.
Go, go, go!
Fluff the pillow, pat, pat, pat. Make it soft and nice and flat. Look at your bed, clean and bright. You did it well, that's just right. Pull the blanket,
1, 2, 2.
smooth it gently.
Just like you.
Fluff the pillow and take your tap. Now your bed is nice and flat. Smooth, fluff and pat. Let's all do it, just like that. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down, so clean and neat. Front and back and side to side. Keep your smile clean and bright. Brush the top and brush below. Take it slowly, don't rush, no. Round and take your time. Clean teeth help your smile shine. Let's count together, nice and slow.
1, 2, 3.
Here we go. 4, 5, 6. Brush each side. 7, 8. Keep smiling wide. 9, 10. All done now. Pretty. Yow! Up, down, side to side. Keep your smile clean and bright. Wash, 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 wash your face. Nice and clean in every place. Splash a little, don't be fast. Clean it gently, make it last. Water on and water off. Wipe it dry, soft, soft, soft. Now your face is fresh and clean. The brightest fall we've ever seen. Splash, splash. Just a little, not too big and not too little. Wipe, wipe, nice and slow. Clean and fresh, now you glow. Splash, weep, nice and clean. Best fresh face we've ever seen. Shirt goes on, 1, 2, 3. Pull it down, just like me. Arms go in, left and right. Now it fits you nice and tight. Pants go on, step inside. Pull them up, side to side. Socks and shoes, one by one. Getting dressed is lots of fun. What do we do when we wake? Stretch and smile, that's no mistake. What comes next? Let's all say. Make your bed to start your day. Brush your teeth and wash your face.